Starting fresh after being in prison can be challenging. You may face a number of obstacles, including difficulty finding a job or getting approved for credit. But we're here to help. Our credit privacy services are designed to give you a new start and help you rebuild your life after incarceration. With our services, you can start a new consumer credit file. We work with the major credit bureaus to build a new FICO credit file and help you build a strong new credit identity. We can also provide you with resources and guidance to help you start building a stable financial future with your new credit identity. Don't let your past hold you back. With a legal new credit file, you can take control of your financial future and get the fresh start you deserve. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you start building a better tomorrow. Call 1-800-597-2560 or go to our website at legalnewcreditfile.com to learn more.